Network company Alliander recently moved into its new regional office in Amsterdam. This sustainable and flexible building, designed by architects de Zwarthand, was built by Dura Vermeer. Rolflex compact doors were chosen at various places in the building. These doors have a space-saving folding system, leaving plenty of room around the door for installations, pipes or lighting. An important reason for choosing the compact door in this project was the presence of crane tracks in the building. As the door has no ceiling rails, the crane track is not obstructed and could be placed right behind the door. A couple of doors are fitted with a wicket door for easy staff access without opening the entire door. Rolflex is proud to have been able to contribute to this great project with the compact door. For more information, visit rolflex.com.